Hey guys, this is IS and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna give you 7 premium preset for Lightroom mobile, also for Lightroom PC version, so you can use on both. So before we start, hit the like button and let's get started. Okay guys, first download the preset from description link. After that unzip it and you will find this folder 75k special preset. So before putting this preset on the folder, you have to install the profile pack that I already gave to you guys. So if you haven't installed the profile pack yet or you missed the video, then please check the I button here or check the first link in the description below. So go watch the video and install the profile. After that, come back to this video and continue watching. So these are the pieces that I'm going to give you. So I'm gonna copy this folder to Android, data, allow mobile, files, documents, then profile, settings, and then user style. Okay, I'm gonna paste the folder here. So as you can see, it's successfully pasted. Now I'm gonna check it again. Data, alarm, mobile, files, mistake, documents, 00, profile, and then user install. Here is the folder, and this is the profile pack you have to install. So go and watch the video. So I'm gonna close the app and I'm gonna open Lightroom mobile. Okay, now I'm gonna apply the pieces on some photos that I have imported. Now click on the preset and here you will find 75 official preset pack. So these are the presets. So apply whatever you want. I'm gonna apply one. Page number 1, no, number 2 is pretty good. Okay, yeah, number 3 is already okay. Okay guys, here is the thing. Let me select a preset first. Let me apply number 7. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, now go to profile. Here you can see the preset has already detected the profile that you have installed, so don't need to install the profile, otherwise the preset won't work on your photos. So guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. If you, then don't forget to like the video, share to friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Also turn on the post notifications to never miss any update. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.